All right, so let's open up to, what month are we on? July. And I've taken my weeks out of my cover because I actually do plan on selling this. This is from Bujo Planner, and yes, I will definitely be selling this. It's a beautiful leather. It's just, it's too big. It actually holds 2 Hobonichi weeks in there. So if you want a bigger cover, this is perfect for you, but it's just too big for me and I want to save up for a different cover. Anyway, so first things first, I also want to get, it's in here, this washi. Okay, I need to buy this washi, and it's from the Washi Tape Shop, which is what I heard, Canadian, and I love that. So I'm gonna take my scissors and just a little bit there. And then I'm gonna add one of these circles. Let's do purple. And then let's do this cup of tea, teapot. It's actually really cute. Oh, I like that. And then, oh, there goes my printer. And then up at the top here, another bit of washi up at the top. Oh, there is a mosquito that just flew by my face. Oh, and then cut this one in half. And place it right here. Ooh, I like that. I like that. And then I'm gonna put the Keep Calm and Macaron on here. Oh, I like it. Whoops. There we go. Pretty. Now I'm going to add maybe a little green or just a pile of macarons in the corner here. Oh my God, the fly is in my video. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be a whole event with this fly. So let's place that there. And I actually really like that. I'm gonna keep that like that. So I'm gonna take my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and highlight. I'm trying to write payout and say highlight at the same time. Right, payout here. It's just one of those days. And where are my tweezers? And then I'm actually doing new releases earlier this month. I will be doing new releases on the 6th because what I'm planning is that my new releases will come out on the 3rd or the 4th of August because I'm actually going to be on vacation the actual week of my 2-year anniversary. So I'm planning ahead so that my 2-year anniversary release is going to be probably the 3rd or the 4th of August, which means I'm going to move this release up a bit as well. So new release. And let's put that one in blue. There we go. And then I know around there's like a bill that is due with my Shopify fee. So I'll put that in the pink. And then down here on the side, I'm going to write ideas, and this is where I keep track of ideas that I have for stickers that I'd like to do. So put that in green. Perfect. Oh, I like it. Very simple and Easy, very simple and easy. So that is the monthly spread for July in my Hobonichi week. So let's move to the Hobonichi cousin. Okay, so for the Hobonichi cousin monthly spread, it is different because this for me is my social media planner, but also plotting in any appointments and things that I have to remember. I actually saw a post the other day. I can't remember which Facebook group it was, but somebody was asking, what is pre-planning and what is memory planning and what is memory keeping? And really the terms, I feel like memory keeping and memory planning are kind of interchangeable. Oh my God, the fly. Just wants to be in the video. But then pre-planning, like for me, pre-planning is when I'm putting things down into my planner with Post-its, so that they're not actually written in there, because I don't write anything in here until I'm actually decorating. So the monthly page is also a way to pre-plan. It's for me to jot down appointments that I will then transfer to the weekly spread. Not that anybody asked, but there you go. So let's put this here. Similar to kind of what I did in the week's spread, but let's grab a big pink circle with a blue teacup and teapot. Oh, that's cute. And then the macarons, just right here. My kids love macarons, and we had some macarons while we were in Paris, and they were amazing. My favorite was the lemon, although we also love anything like cappuccino, espresso flavored. Cut there. And then, see, this one's going to be a bit more difficult. I think I'm going to place this one here. That might go off the page a little bit. And then whatever Henry is listening to out there, it's very loud. And I'm going to, there's a lot of stickers that I have left over that I haven't used. I think I'm going to kind of dot them around the spread as well. And then what I use down the sidebar here, I actually use the sidebar to write down what stickers I'm going to be decorating the week with. And you know, I'll say something like my new releases, or you know, something from According to Allie, or something from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, or whatever it turns out. And it helps me plan out, it basically helps me shop my stash, which is good because I don't really need to buy more stickers, right? So let's do green down here actually. And I'm going to combine it with the purple macaron. And I'm going to actually just leave, actually, let's do some of these teeny tiny ones. The teeny teacup. Cute, I like that. Okay. So now I'm going to go in and write the words or the letters IG and YouTube on every day. And this helps me to map out and plan out what videos I'm going to do, and then the corresponding Instagram posts to go with it. And being able to see all of my social media in one spot like this, it has been really, really helpful. Now, one of the things that I started in June was I have a TikTok account now, but that was where I kept track of 30 inks, 30 days. So it's slightly different than Instagram and YouTube, that it's not so much planned out here. So I'm not going to include TikTok in here. I'm just going to include Instagram and YouTube. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and write in any important events that are happening. So for example, you know, pre-planning a dentist appointment, or, you know, adding in Canada Day, or important shifts and things like that. And then I'm going to actually cover it with the mini paint swatches in the tea and macarons set. And I'm using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen for this. All right, so there is the spread for my Hobonichi cousin, and I really like the way that it looks, but once it's filled in, it actually looks really, really good with all of my social media posts and things like that. So then let's move to the currently page over here for July. And the way that I use this, it's just a fun way for me to keep track of my currently inked pens, but also books that I've read. So using the same stickers, and really it's also a way for me to use up all of these stickers because they're just very, very fun to use. And green. Oh, I like that. And then up at the top, I'm gonna do there. Oops, whoops. And there. Yay. I always love finishing a sticker sheet and then use up the rest of that washi like so. And then I'm going to use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to write currently inked. And this is where, so another place that I keep track of my pens that I have inked for the month. And then on this side, it's what I've read. I don't keep track of things like what I'm watching or what I'm eating or drinking or anything like that. It's just what I've currently inked up in my pens and what I'm reading. And that for me is all I need this page for. I have used it for 30 inks, 30 days, and I loved using this page for it. It was a bit of a pain to set up, but super fun. Okay, so let's use up the last of these. Let's put a cup of tea here. I feel like the macaron should go here, and then these macarons can go right here, and then we can have the smaller ones up at the top there, so that there's plenty of room to write my currently inked, because I haven't decided whether I'm going to do 7 pens or 8 pens. So making sure I leave myself plenty of room. Yay for finishing sticker sheet. Oh, that's 3 sticker sheets finished. Awesome. And I always like having some of these left over because they work in so many other spreads as well. All right, and I'm gonna add some of this washi just to add something different to the spread. Just like a little snippet of it. Whoa. I ripped that. That was great. And let's do this upside down actually. I like it. And then one little bitty piece, which I'm going to place like this. All right. Oh, I like that. So let's put these away. And that way you can see my finished spreads here. So then you've got the currently page, and then you have the social media page with the monthly, and then you have my spread in my Hobonichi weeks. And that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.